Welcome to our channel, where we bring you daily, top-notch content to help you make informed decisions about various products. Today, we're diving into the world of technology as we explore the best Microsoft laptops. Discover the perfect device for your needs and stay tuned for our in-depth reviews. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and follow us on social media to stay updated. Let's get started. Number 1. Microsoft Laptop Studio. Without a doubt, the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio is our favorite laptop from Microsoft, especially if you're a creative. From its versatile 2-in-1 form factor to its premium build, bright and beautiful screen and its svelte design, Microsoft's Surface Laptop Studio oozes a charisma and finish we wouldn't typically attribute to the oft-clunky tech giant. Better yet, it's technically a 3-in-1 laptop thanks to its easel mode, which is wonderful both for entertainment and for drawing. In our review, we called it a great all-rounder hybrid, and it's certainly got the specs to match this claim. It's got extra vertical space thanks to the taller 3:2 screen size, making it great for a variety of creative activities, and, certainly when configured in its most premium build, specs like its 120Hz refresh rate mean the Surface Laptop Studio just scrapes our minimum viable requirements for a gaming laptop. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The Surface Pro 9 is very light and thin, perfect for quickly stashing in your bag. Equipped with Windows 11, it's got a snappy 120Hz refresh rate, and at higher configurations can be pretty powerful. While technically speaking, Microsoft qualifies the Surface Pro 9, and a few other devices on this list, as a tablet, the optional type cover accessory makes it just as good as a laptop and runs Windows 11, granting you access to the full suite of desktop software. Plus, with its excellent Surface Pen stylus support, sold separately, the Surface Pro 9 is fantastic for drawing, illustration, and photo editing. Just make sure to opt for more RAM if you want to use more demanding software like Lightroom. Surface laptops get you productive on a proven keyboard-attached design. In the office, on campus, and everywhere in between, there's a Surface that's perfect for you. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. Perfectly designed for stashing quickly in your backpack, this sturdy yet thin and light laptop has a fantastic blend of features to see you through your day on campus. It'd also work really well for workers on the go and even some creatives, thanks to its wonderful Pixel Sense touchscreen and excellent battery life. The keyboard is wonderful to type on, and on test, we were incredibly impressed with how powerful and well-equipped this laptop is. You can also choose between Intel and AMD configurations, depending on your needs. It's definitely still not going to be quite enough for more intensive tasks like video processing or game development, though. Enjoy faster, more accurate typing with optimized key travel and responsiveness. Power your creativity anywhere thanks to all-day battery life, fast charging, and industry-leading typing comfort. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2 is a compact and lightweight laptop that excels in tasks like writing, admin work, and browsing on the go. It has a decent touchscreen, but the low resolution might not meet the requirements of graphics professionals, meaning it's better as a starter device or a budget-friendly alternative to some of the pricier models on our list. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, the Surface Laptop Go 2 offers a sturdy build with a satisfying keyboard and fast fingerprint login. However, the lower-than-average screen resolution of 1536 by 1024 may disappoint graphic designers and artists, and the 720p webcam resolution is middling, which is to be expected in a budget laptop, but does mean it's less suitable for Zoom calls. On a positive note, the Surface Laptop Go 2 embraces environmental considerations by featuring more replaceable parts, making it potentially upgradable and easier to fix than typical laptops, by Microsoft rather than home users. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. The Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 is a solid workhorse, capable of handling most tasks, but it may slow down when running multiple high-spec apps simultaneously. To get the best build, you'll need to invest more, making it one of the pricier Windows 11 laptops without the best value. The design feels a little dated, but during our testing, we found the Surface Laptop 5 to be a great all-rounder and can run creative software with ease, though not more than one app at a time. We loved its touchscreen, which is wonderfully responsive, though, we note, not OLED. With a digital pen, sold separately, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 lets you capture moments of inspiration or take notes on the fly. This versatility gives you the option to use your computer the way you want to use it. A narrow bezel on four sides gives you more viewing area and less clutter to interfere with the task at hand. Whether that's at work or play, enjoy the most out of your screen with IPS panel technology and full high definition.